Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Let's go inside. So as you first walk in is the entrance. This is your view from the entrance. There's 3 rooms right as you walk in. So we're gonna start with this room. Right to the right is a nice little area off the kitchen. Gorgeous view there. See, we already painted that. Shout outs to Miriam for that one. Looks great. We've got our flooring, so we're getting ready to put our flooring in so you can see our laminate floors that we picked that are gonna go in this room. The next room is our kitchen, which we have to fully remodel. So it is a work in progress right now. These are some gorgeous vintage finds we found in the house that we're saving. If you walk this way, you walk right into our laundry room. As you can see the progress of this, we got some tiles we just bought that we're getting ready to place. So those are already purchased, gorgeous beige and white. This door is gonna take you out to the garage. So you go right out there, as you can see. If you come back, gorgeous vintage find again, right there. This is gonna be a half bathroom. But I won't show you guys that because it's really not in the best condition. We need to really work on that. So I'll show you guys. This is gonna be a half bath. Okay. As you walk back this way, we'll go back to this room, which is our living room. Give you a little panoramic view. It's got a gorgeous vaulted ceiling and a fireplace, a brick wall fireplace there. And just check out the views, guys. We're in a wooded oasis, so it is just gorgeous. Check out the views. And this is our solarium right off our living room. You can see outside. If you come around this way, it's going to be our dining room. And we've got it all taped off, ready to paint. And we have some wood here that's going to be laid down. And it also has a skylight. But we've covered it because we're getting ready to paint. And on the other side is a fireplace. So it's a dual fireplace on both sides. So now we're back to the entrance. We're going to turn to the right. And there's a coat closet here to the left. And then you're gonna see the office. This is gonna be our office. It's already painted, a gorgeous brick house red, orange color. And we've got some tiles laid down, or some wood laid down for the floors. So we're gonna get started on the floors in here. Go down this way, you have a closet which holds our water heater. And then to the right, you have the boys' bathroom. The dual sinks. To the left, we have the boys' room. It's already painted blue. And we've got some wood flooring that's getting ready to be laid down in here. You walk further down. To the right, we have the master bedroom. And then we have this closet, which we're going to change and extend the bathroom from this wall to that wall. So it'll be we're gonna enlarge the bathroom, so that's gonna be gone. This is the master bath. That's what it's looking like, y'all. This wall we're gonna try to extend backwards so we have more space. But this is what it looks like for now. Basic. This is the master room again. This is a closet, which we plan on making an entryway into the other room, which is going to be our master walk-in closet. So you would enter from here and come in, and then this whole area room is going to be a walk-in closet off of the master. We have some wood in here. We're gonna go with a gray color for this room and also for the master bedroom. It's gonna be gray. All the other floor is gonna be that gorgeous mahogany kind of color that you saw. So now we're back to the beautiful hallway. We're gonna walk back down. So that concludes our little tour of our new house. We are still in the process of renovations, but I just kind of want to give you a little walkthrough so you can kind of see what we're working with, and then I can give you updates as we continue to renovate. So I'm glad, I hope you enjoyed our wooded oasis, and I'm glad I got to show it to you before we make too much progress. But I just kind of wanted to show you where we are. We did clear out a lot of stuff in here. As I told you, this house was fully renovated when we got it. And so we had to clear all those things out first. And now we are to the process where we're painting and laying down floors. And then we're going to redo the kitchen as well as the master bathroom. And we're also going to be doing the half bath. So if you like these types of videos, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates on our new house and how we're going. And also, we are still prepping our house that we're living in right now for sale. So if you want to see those kind of videos and you kind of like that stuff, just let us know in the comments down below. And hope you enjoyed this video and have a good day. Till next time. Bye.